Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Have you ever tried to launch a game like in my case, Watch Dogs 2, but instead of diving into action, you're hit with this error? No worries, I've got you covered. Whether it's Watch Dogs 2 or any other game giving you the same issue, I'll show you how to fix it right now. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, close the game causing the error. Now, let's quickly talk about why you're seeing this error. It's usually caused by the game bar, a built-in feature for game recording and invites that sometimes interferes with games. To turn it off, click the Start button and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Gaming tab. Here, you'll find the game bar option. It's turned on in my case, which could be causing the issue. Simply toggle it off, close the settings, and that's it. Now let's relaunch the game. And boom, no more errors and no annoying overlays. Everything runs smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more game fixes and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy gaming.